Ashok Vasan. We've known each other from class 1 onwards. So he is the first ever friend of mine, the closest friend. And we all amongst us have decided कि हम में से जेल अगर कोई पहला जाएगा तो अशोक जाएगा। इसकी पूरे इसके अंदर सारे वो तत्व हैं जो इसे जेल बहुत जल्दी करवा सकते हैं।
यूनिफॉर्म भी आप लोगों ने बना ही लिए थे।
यूनिफॉर्म बना लिए थे।
पर शाहरुख याद मैं दिलाऊंगा इस बात की कि आई एम द ओनली वन जो शायद मैं जेल नहीं अभी तक नहीं गया।
He's the only one who's not been to jail. But he used to break into songs and dances in class, and he used to sing like the Bee Gees. This is Raman Sharma. He's a respectable pilot now. But he's wonderful. He's got the most infectious laughter in the world, which you will notice as the show goes on. He'll make Raman, just laugh once for all of us. This is Vivek Khushlani. He was the rich of our gang. Even his sandwiches were embossed. He's the only one who had girlfriends. He's the only one who could dance close with a girl amongst this stupid gang. He could never have a close dance with any woman. Vivek was the man we really looked up to. And really, he was the stud of the gang.
Stud.
And इसकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है कि he's the only guy who had the most beautiful cars in the world. And जब पहली गाड़ी में आता था, पीछे दूसरी आती थी, in case पहली बारी खराब हो जाए तो दूसरी इसको ले जाते थे।
गाड़ियों की वजह से तो इनको प्रेरोगेटिव नहीं था कि he was the only one.
He was the financer of the gang. And this is Bikash, Bicky. Bicky स्पेशलिटी was कि एग्जाम जब होते थे तो हम सब पहला सवाल लिख लेते थे अपना, उसका जवाब लिखकर हम लोग कुछ नहीं आता था, बाकी 9 जवाब नहीं आते थे। एक आदमी था वो लिखता रहता था, वो लिखता रहता था, वो स्टूडेंट था जो एंड के अंदर जब टीचर पेपर एंड तक लिखता था। We used to hate him because he knew everything. Then we used to get our marks. He used to get 12 100. He used to get 30,
95.
Yeah. 95 minus
इतने सारे marks.
I used to get 5 7, but Bicky never used to let us down. He used to get less than us. He's got 2.5 marks in physics once.
तो सब मिलके 33% हो जाता।
हो जाता। We used to be passed.
अब मैं घबराइए, मैं जो है सिर्फ शाहरुख को बोलने का मौका नहीं दूंगा। आप लोग अपनी सफाई पेश कर सकते हैं। तो आप लोग शुरू हो जाइए।
Shahrukh, you remember the time when you had that मिर्गी का दौरा in the class? You know what happened was कि एक हमारा नया टीचर था स्कूल में, तो हमने कहा कि
ये लोग हिंदी में थोड़े वीक हैं, अंग्रेजी में cool guys.
So this new teacher had come, so we thought that we wanted to actually bunk class because class में बैठ के क्या करना है all that. So Shahrukh actually went in and he started doing an epileptic fit here. Which was brilliant.
Which class was this?
This was in the 11th.
Class 11th, and he actually started frothing from the mouth.
Oh, it was
started frothing. I don't know how he did that.
It was a piece.
And finally, like 4 of us had to lift him on our shoulders and take him out of the class, and we never came back for the next 3 hours.
Yeah.
But
because he was still frothing.
Yeah, and finally, Bikash went for the teacher's shoe. He said, "We need your shoe."
वो जूता चमड़ा से काटना, तो चमड़ा you smell.
Bikash, by the way, Bikash.
That was the thing. We had to pull off the shoe, and we walked out with one shoe, and 4 of us went and bunked
The whole. We used to do a lot of these.
So that was a very, very funny one.